The final frontier of meditation isn't about any particular experience. It's about understanding the nature of awareness itself. Meta-awareness involves turning attention back upon itself to investigate the fundamental nature of how we experience things. It asks, what knows all experience? What is aware of awareness? Where do thoughts come from? Is it your mind? Is it your soul? Or is it something deeper? Look for the one that is looking. Sit quietly and notice what's aware of your current experience. Instead of focusing on objects of awareness, thoughts, sensations, etc., try to notice awareness itself. What is this knowing presence? Rest in the recognition of being aware. Notice how awareness is already present, requiring no effort. Experience comes and goes, but awareness remains unchanged. This practice points to what many traditions consider the deepest insight, the recognition of our fundamental nature as awareness itself. These past few lessons provide a path from basic mindfulness to profound insights about consciousness. Practice them sequentially or return to those that particularly resonate with you. Remember, consistency matters more than duration. Even brief daily practice can lead to transformative insights. Thank you for your practice. I hope we'll sit together again soon.